are here now this time in Atlantic's Way. Okay. Nasaan? Kuya? Elias! Elias! Papa!
Yeah.
Hi. Oh, yeah, later. We'll just walk right now. No, you can't.
Eva, I'm gonna jump off and roll down the hill.
Okay.
Wait,
It's windy.
look at how steep it is. It's very steep mountain. It's almost flat. Now that's an almost flat mountain.
Nice?
I don't see anything different with this nature. It looks exactly the same as all nature.
Oh yeah.
But I don't see anything different. Except for how many snake plants there are.
Islands.
There's so many snake plants here. Are we walking over the water?
No, around.
I look for some cool stuff.
We're going to grill later. Are they fishes, Papa? That's swimming.
I don't see any fish.
I saw. They're jumping.
There's no fishes here.
Yeah, I saw.
Jellyfish!
Really?
Jelly!
It's much fishes.
There's a purple jellyfish I see in the water. I see a purple jellyfish in the water. See? And there's some other jellyfish. Yeah, there's like a... Oh, that's a big one. Oh my gosh. Have I didn't know there's so many... Oh, this is...
Jellyfish.
There's jellyfish! Have I looked like someone walked up here? Have I looked like someone walked up here? I see jellyfish, son! Dad! Oh, Daddy, me everything. Daddy, I'm big! Oh, Dad. Oh, look! Blue and purple jellyfish! Yeah, I see it. You see that jellyfish is over there? Oh no, look, it's glowing. That jellyfish is
It's
like
glowing. Glow in the dark.
Oh my god.
Oh my God.
I've never seen jellyfish.
I've never seen jellyfish before. No, you can't, Kuya. It's slippery.
Look, that purple and blue one is like glowing. That jellyfish there.
Wale?
Like the purple and blue one there.
The one he's there.
Oh, that's like glowing.
See, look. They have it so close. And here if you want to go, Matthias, if you want shortcut, you can go up here in the mountain. People is walking there. If you doesn't wanna walk around, you can go up there in the mountain.
Yeah, but Mama, look here.
Shortcut.
Mama, look, you know what's a dangerous jellyfish?
Which one? Which one? Which one?
Look, do you see that glowing orange one?
That one?
Yeah, that's dangerous. If it's red or orange in the middle, then
That
it's
jellyfish? That jellyfish it's dangerous. It's
the
itchy.
orange and red ones can be dangerous.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh, it's sunny but cold.
Should we go up the mountain?
Oh, we must go around. We must nice view. See, with all these pink flowers, wild one. Hello everyone.
Might not be a good picture. Like right here. Look. Right here would probably be nice.
Yeah.
Oh, it looks like you can walk down here.
Papa, maybe much fish is there. It's not allowed to fish. See, look, look, the birds fishing there in the middle. Come, we gonna take the one they fishing.
But if you see the jellyfish on the beach, save it. Just if it's not local.
Save it. Save for last.
Now I just want to walk on the sand.
You can't go there.
Oh, but look how dirty that water is.
No, it's not. Yeah, when it's high tide water come, maybe. Yeah, is it here? Not? Yeah, so why?
I don't think it can come so high. I think it just waves.
No, it is not.
I think waves. Oh, Mama, look how high that water went. There's lakes here. Wait, Baba, look, it's bending down right there. I think we can walk there. Emma, look, the fence are bended there. The fence are bended down right there.
It's
Oh, Mom, I think you can stand on those. I think you can stand on the mud there.
where? Yeah, you can go there. Come on. Yeah, it is. It's allowed. Come. Set you. It is.
But I think you can stand on the mud here.
Yeah? It's a drone. Who's flying the drone?
People right there beside me.
They're taking the nice views, isn't it? Drone is coming. Yeah, we're driving there. Are we going now? Where? I couldn't see. Okay. If Matthias, you wanna go there? Up in the hill? I asked you, I never say. Jo, det är lågt.
Mamma, vet du det var drone här?
Kvar är nog då.
It's gone.
Go around and see.
Yeah.
So the big boats driving around here. Huh? Big ferry. Grasshopper? We are almost there. Come on.
Why do these fences just bend down like that? Mama?
Yeah.
Mama? Mama? Mama?
Yeah.